Hey, we're back. I got the grease going. I put a potato in there to test it with, and it's sizzling. Might be sizzling a little too much, but it's oh yeah, it's sizzling. Turn that baby down just a little bit. And when you know it, the wind would kick up right about now. But let me get over here and tilt this down so y'all can see what I'm working with over here. All right, there's the cooker with the grease on it. I got the one part of the fish. I got my skillet a little too small. I don't want to burn that grease too much. So we get it in there. Hopefully it don't boil over and we cause a fire here. We definitely don't want that. So, woo! Might be able to get one at a time in there. That's about it. But it don't take long for these crappie to cook. Boy, look at that, look at that. Mama would be proud of me. Yes, sir. That's the half of the crappie. I just grabbed the first thing I saw as far as pots and pans went and got it going. Like I said, that potato's good. It's ready to go. Didn't get no tongs or nothing, but I got a good old fork. So let's flip that baby over. Oh yeah. It won't take long now. Cooking up good. Can you hear that sizzle? Oh yeah. She cooking up good. Won't be long now. Put a little potato in there. Oh yeah. You know, I bought this little Coleman stove at Walmart. It's been an awesome tool to work with as far as cooking go. I mean, you can pop this up anywhere, and you got an instant stove to cook with. Let me get some napkins here and lay that fish on when it's ready to come out. Yes, sir. We are definitely doing it. Put some napkins down there to sop up the greasy grease. Oh yeah. I think she about ready. Yes, sir. Get this second portion in there. Give it a little shake. See, a lot of y'all, if you know about eating fish with the bone in, this part right here, that's the crunchy part. We all be fighting over that. Look how nice and flaky that is. Woo-wee. Sample test. Hot, fresh out the grease. You don't get no better than that. Outside cooking, ain't got to worry about being in the house. Out here relaxing, enjoying the fresh fish that I just caught. I'm gonna get another piece of that. I don't want to make y'all jealous or nothing, but man. Oh yeah, that's good. See, already that tail is about ready to be flipped. Like I said, this cooker is something else. It don't take long. It don't take long at all. It do the thing. I got a little hungry out there. I don't know about y'all, but I was a little hungry. And crappie were a little bit tough to figure out. And they always like this on the pond out here at least. They are kind of finicky on what they want to eat. Oh yeah. There you have it. Crappie. Oh, let me get it on there. We got crappie and we got fries going at the same time in the skillet there. Like I said, these right here will be going in a minute. But for the meantime, that's my cooking clean right there. Small crappie, but good crappie. And like I said, you don't get no better than this. It's a little hot out here, but out there it's hot. I'm in the shade, like I said, enjoying some crappie that I caught. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. Oh, and for all you military guys, you know how we used to hang that trash bag on the deuce and half? Well, I got a new deuce and half to hang my trash bag on. That's an old military trick we used to do in the Army. All right, we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. I'm ready to throw down, throw down, throw down.